Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Saeco Espresso machine. Now for this machine, we pretty much replace the water pump, the one that you see right here, and we also gave it a tune-up, which means we pretty much replace the O-ring from the infuser, that one that you see right there, deep clean it, make sure everything's moving out nice and smoothly, and we also had to descale the machine manually, and we also deep clean the grinder. So start one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out, then we're gonna use the steamer. Good water flow coming out of the spouts, good color. Right now the grinder is on the coarse setting, so that's why there's not a lot of crema in there, but it can still be adjusted for a more finer, a more crema, for a finer grind to have more crema on your espresso shot. But right now working perfectly fine. Now the steamer, you're gonna let it sit there a little bit so it builds some pressure inside the thermolock. The machine is building up pressure. As you can see, good steamer, pressing fine, nice and strong, and really good temperature. And there you have it, Saeco espresso machine working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.